visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. No? So tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. The Ten of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Six of Wands. So parang meron ditong isang magandang balita na i-offer ang tao. It can be you na meron ka magandang balita na i-offer ka person, or it can be your person meron magandang balitang i-offer sa'yo. It has something to do with, it can be abundance. Now, abundance may mean literally different from every person eh. So, tulad na sinasabi ko, abundance may mean literally money. For some, abundance may mean my car. No, abundance may mean my collections of bags. Abundance may mean this relationship, no? Or abundance may mean ako personally, my peace of mind. So if my peace of mind was jeopardized, so I'm going to cut you off. Parang ganon. Meron akong, I need to distance myself. So with the Six of Wands, nakikita natin dito kung ano mang abundance ito, parang matagal na dapat itong ginawa, matagal na dapat itong inoffer. Pero this person parang sinasarili lang muna, pero something is about to be revealed. No? With the Five of Swords and the Nine of Cups, para kasing meron kayong mga plano na noong-noon pa, hindi siya mangyari-yari. Every time na you're close to celebrating the event, every time that you're probably close to the date, nagkakaroon ng aberya. So parang sinabi nitong taong to, I think I need to keep this muna, no, para hindi siya nauusog, baka nauusog. So with the Five of Swords, clarified with the Wheel of Fortune and the Knight of Swords. So parang bibiglain na lang. So surprise na lang. Pero parang ang pangit, no? Kasi it's supposed to be an event for the both of us. Kung proposal yan, then probably yes. Pasok to sa hindi sinasabi. Pero if this is going to be my kasal, parang bigyan mo naman sana ako ng time, mamili ng damit ko. Di ba yung ganon? Ng motive ko, no? Yung kasi this is going to be a once in a lifetime event. Parang wala akong say. Everything was orchestrated by you. So, pinakasalan mo ba? I mean, maganda naman yung intention. Pero siguro mas maganda yung merong say, no, kapag ganun ka-intense, yung magiging surprise. mas magandang merong say din yung ikakasal. Iba yung renewal of vows eh, kasi renewal of vows, katulad nung kila Miss Jessa, they already um, had their chance, no, of walking down the aisle. Nakapagplano sila. Eto, that's also a different story. Pero pag first time, yung unang-una, I think it's much better for, the other person to have, something to say. That's just my thought. The King of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Justice. So, parang ngayon pinagplanuhan, pinaghandaan. Meron din ditong apology of, pasensya na ha, ngayon lang nangyari. Meron din ditong apology of, ngayon ko lang din nagawa kasi ngayon lang nagkaroon kasi the justice card showed up na ngayon lang umayon ang panahon. Baka kasi din every time, no, na dumadating yung kasal, ulan na ulan naman, or yung date ng kasal, or baka kailangan umalis. Whatever the reason is, ngayon umayon yung panahon sa inyo. With the World card, oy, this is a life-changing event with the Two of Cups. So, ito na nga. Totoong-totoo. So, actually, nag-assume lang akong about kasal. But the Two of Cups showed up. So, ito na yun. Cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. This is a life-changing event that might gonna happen sa buhay mo. Pero yun lang, no, sana nga. If this is a kasal, sana man lang nakapagsabi ka kahit ng paborito mong sapatos mong sasuotin, no? Or nakabili ka ng, nakapag-makeup ka ng yung gusto mong makeup, 'di ba? Or kahit man lang yung kakainin, yung favorite mong food, meron kang, meron kang nasabi, meron kang contribution. Pero kung siguro proposal yan, pwede yan, no? Pasok to, yung surprise na to. Or cohabitation, depende siguro sa sitwasyon, no? Kasi baka mamaya, bigla ka naman, halika na, hanapin ka naman sa inyo. Yung business moves sana na nagsasama na kayo. Baka mamaya magpa-announcement pa yung mga magulang mo na missing. So instead na fluid yung pagsasama, baka makasuhan pa tong kasama mo na ang tawag doon, kidnapping, no? So, I mean, everything must be in order, dapat. Kasi pinaplanuhan naman eh. Dapat lang, kasi nandito kasi yung excitement, yung adrenaline rush. Kaya, pwedeng mamimiss, no? Kasi nga, dati, ang tagal-tagal na natin ito pinaplano, but then again, hindi nangyayari. So, ngayon, parang feeling ko, nandito na yung time, so gagawin na natin. Yung ganun yung drama. Because of the excitement, baka makalimutan lang, no? So, ikaw naman yung nakikinig, just remind the person if in case, no? This is your reading. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra. I'm seeing Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Gemini, Cancer, Pisces. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.